Welcome to Emma's. Hi friend, today I'm sharing how to embroider a little flower. Please follow me embroider. First, the stem will be embroidered with cotton stitch. With a highly curved and winding shape, don't secure the thread. Tighten secure with small stitches until the end. Embroider a large leaf. There are many small leaves inside with long tail daisy stitch. The long tail daisy stitch is made like at the lazy daisy stitch. The difference is in the end stitch, long or short. Make stamens with spider web stitch of 5 straight stitches and 8 straight stitches. The outside petals will be made by woven spider stitch. Embroider some stitches here, like this. Embroider a light violet color stamen. Then do another stamen with yellow color. Now make petals with woven spider stitch. The inner petals is light violet color. Please subscribe to Emma's channel to watch more tutorial videos and give this video a like if you feel good. The outer petals is darker violet color. For this flower, make petals by lazy daisy stitch 6 strands of thread. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.